if you got a Kärcher window cleaner that is not working, just blinking strangely, and if you're sure it's charged, and that's not the problem, so we can try to repair it, to do it a fix. I have to say, you have to do this fix on your own risk. If you break or damage your window cleaner, it's not my fault. So first of all, you have got to remove all the accessories, the head and the tank, and then you are left with this. It's just a rare body. Okay, and then you have to remove 5 screws. These are Torx screws. I had my, I think it's T9. Yeah, I think it's a T9. You remove the 5 screws. I've done this already. And you cannot open it then because it's somehow hold together. What you have to do then is you have to take a pair of screwdrivers and pull one behind here and the other one on the other side. And then you can snap off the lower part. This part, you can snap it off. And then you have just this left, and now you see there's another screw just here, which was hidden, and you could not take it apart. Now take out the last screw, and then you can open your window cleaner. So now this is the inside. There's the switch, loosen it, and then you can take it out. You put this away, and this is the whole motor battery combo. And now what I assume is we had a blocked motor. We had something blocking the motor, or it just doesn't start properly. So I think the motor seems to be inside here. This seems to be the battery. I think it's one lithium ion 18650 cell, but we don't need to open this because the battery is okay here. So here you have some clips on both sides. Undo them, and then you have the motor, the spinning wheel in front of you. So what I had to do here was just give it a little twist because it was blocked somehow. It was rusted or seized. I just gave it a little turn, and it would start fine. It would start properly again. So maybe, if we know this, you can try to unblock it from outside. Now I put this back together again, and then I show you what I mean. Putting it back together. Be sure to put the cable in the holders. Okay, like that. And then we're going to put it back in here. Yeah. It's all quite straightforward. It's very easy. It's a good repair. And then we put this one on again. Okay. Now we start to bolten it together. By the way, the screws are all the same size, so you can mix them up. It's no problem. Okay, we're done. Let's put this guy on again. Just clip it on. Clip, clip, and be sure that the outlet is, yeah. And then it should run again. Fine. Well done. So now I just wanted to show you what I mean by maybe you can unblock, unseize the wheel without taking it apart. But I don't know if this works, but maybe you can try. Because this here is the opening for the turning wheel, where it sucks the air, and maybe you can try it with a cable tie or something else to go in here and unblock the seized motor. But it didn't work for me because I didn't know how it looked inside. But now I saw maybe if you stay in the upper part, it's possible to give the wheel a little turn without opening it. So maybe you can try this first and then repair it with an opening.